From here on, there are cameras everywhere. I don't want your face documented, do you understand? Your identity is to be kept at a security level only I have in this facility, a level 7. Keep that mask and cloak on for now. I know who you are.
Nobody knows who I am.
Maybe so, but I know who you were. Freelancer.
Anyone knows that about me if they do a little digging.
You're stuck. Under a contract. A headhunter, you might say? Kid, I can get you out of this loop. A fresh start. A second chance.
What's the catch?
Here's the deal. You serve us time here for 3 years and we can clean your slate and let you go free, so you don't have to kill your friends. Or, if you prefer killing them, who am I to judge? You can keep doing it. Unfortunately, wearing your traditional attire would raise suspicion, as enough people know who you are. Or, enough people know the suit, I should say. The sword, however, we have, and of course, we have a new suit for you. Any questions?
What would you have your headhunter do?
Do you have any words?
No. Didn't know them. You?
No. I didn't know them either. Just another Filaroni operative.
Alright. Since the Covenant probably knows we're here, I'll scout out our surroundings. See if I can locate our target. I'm taking your M99. You good? Is it your first crash, or...?
No. I'm good.
I'll be back in a few hours.
Dang. Those are ODST, aren't they? They must have been from the first responder operations unit here. Those guys are pros. I can't believe 3 of them got picked off.
I know. Someone must have put it. Maybe someone on their team made it out and wanted to honor them somehow?
Or it is a threat from whoever killed them.
Feast on you!
Thanks. Man, you're good. Didn't you tell me that you got accepted into the ODST Corps yourself?
Yes, sir. 343rd Division. Been training for a while now. I'm getting my uniform after this recon mission.
This is Reverie 71. We do signal for no recons in the area. What's going on?
Acknowledged. Think the Covenant knows what we're up to, and send brutes to come take us out. We just got assaulted by a big one with a hammer. But we're operational.
Understood. Your path is burnt about 2 minutes out and a right from your position. Make sure the path is clear. This is your priority number 1.
Consider it done. You heard him, a Spartan! That's insane!
I knew one a while back.
Wait, really? How come I haven't heard about this?
I don't like to think about it. He died on reach, and we were pretty close.
My ass! You expect me to believe that?
Believe what you want.
Whatever. Let's move.
Looks like Captain's here. Does he have that Spartan with him? Yeah, I think Captain's fond of them things. Oh yeah? They're kinda freaky. If that's what the UNSC needs nowadays to keep us safe, makes me wonder what good am I? Yeah. Whatever. Let's go. We need to help them unload.
George, After you unload this last bit of equipment, you can take a break for a little.
Sir, thank you. Sarge, need help again?
Just put it in the hangar, George. Won't be necessary. We'll manage.
Boys, back to the hangar. Sarge don't need us. I told ya, he's fond of that Spartan.
Argus, you know if you want help, go fetch me my absinthe from my quarters. It's been a long day.
Hey Brody, Lincoln, you need some help? It's Toby and Linus, and no thanks, we're fine. Are you kidding me? Keep that memory up and you'll be a Ranger recon for the Navy in no time. Shut up, I've got a chance. I just want to get out of here as soon as possible. And with home cooked by some alien bastards, I don't know where to. Count your blessings. If Axie didn't run into that Spartan, you would have bled out in his arms. Ain't that right, Axie? I agree with Polly. With this new threat joining the UNSC, it looks like our best shot at survival. But it's a choice we should all make together. We're all each other have these days. Speaking of the Spartan, I'm scared to know who his mother was. Well, as long as we're dreaming, and I follow you blokes into the UNSC, I wouldn't mind being one of those so-called Spartans myself. Yeah, as long as we're dreaming, same here. I guess it's settled then. We join the UNSC and become Spartans. Together.
Gentlemen, I can use some extra help if you're interested.
Sometimes, the hardest part for me knowing anything you cared about is staring back at you under a 3-foot sheet of glass is that you can still see the destruction. It's glass. I don't think I'm able to realize how lucky I was to be one of the 1,000 evacuated civilians aboard that one hell of a ship. Refugee. What a disgusting word. Guess that's what they'll be calling us when we're planet-side on our own, if we ever get that far. The ship we arrived on was mainly jam-packed with military vehicles and colonization equipment, but from what I heard, there were only about 1,000 of us that made it. There were 3 ships, the one I came on and 2 just like it. But I don't know if I'm cut out for some backwater UEG rebel front. I want to fight, but not each other as humankind has been doing since these bastardly aliens arrived. I want to fight a different battle. The kind you fight not because you're drafted or forced to fight or run. The kind you choose to fight. After all, I'm just a nobody refugee from a backwater planet whose only purpose is a body count on some UNSC staff success rate percentile. What have I to lose? You have a lot to lose. For once, a promising future if you can remember we're not the bad guys. We could always use some more militia. We lost a lot of Angelian's men on Aridness when saving your people. Who needs militia when they have you? You're like a one-man army. Even armies have their limits, and without teamwork, I'm bound to find mine real quick. George, Sergeant Teal is calling a rally. That means you two, Civvy. Better get moving. Interesting. Glad I met you, Joel. I take up Jordan's offer and join the Angelian. We need as many people as we can afford. Thanks. I'll see you. Looks like Teal is about to start. I'll catch you in a little bit.
You two and your friend post over there. Got it?
Your, drink, sir.
Thanks. Oh. Here, take this.
Okay. What's up, Sarge?
Terrible.
How many innies you want to bet I hear? Ah, shoot. A dozen at least. Really more than that. Stay visual.
That up, Sully. I reckon at least 5 have weapons.
Might double that.
I'm sure you're all aware of the grave danger we have just done saving you from. We lost a lot of lives saving your people. Despite the difference between the UEG and the UNSC, we are not beyond our humanity. And no human deserves the fate of dying to these aliens.
Possible threat spotted.
Roger.
Back sector 2.
Weapon spotted. Sector 2, you're up. Like we practice. Be precise.
No time! Is that me?
Yes, go.
On it. Hey, sir.
Give me one reason not to shoot you down right now for the hell you stuck us through.
He has a nade! Open fire! He's waking up. Ugh! Who? Where? Welcome back, Joe. Glad you made it. Who are you guys? You don't remember the whole hold the line thing? Oh, now that you mention it. You saved a lot of people. I'll let Sarge know that you're up. I don't know, I can't remember. You got overrun by some dudes with a plasma pistol and a broken glass bottle. They knocked you out and George had to run in and grab you. I figure if you don't remember us, introductions are in order. I'm Morgan Cansano, and these two are Leslie and Trey. We used to be revolutionists in the Hydra system.
Good. Welcome back, kid. Sorry we didn't give you the choice of death. That seems to offend your people. We had to extract 3 hours ago with your 4 civvies because you sided with us, and they probably would have killed you like they did with Locken. You have 2 options available. We have an 8th month slip space drive ahead of us. You can either enlist as a militia fighter with the others and join our Unicom regiment until we can ship you out to basic. Other option, we can put you in cryo for a few years until we stop by a habitable civvy planet. But that will probably be a year or 2.
Not much of a choice, is it? Hell. Like I'd waste away in a cryo for a year when I could get in some revenge.
Great. You start your train tomorrow.
Wait, what? I might. Put me in a practice too. Oh, makes perfect, don't it? Yeah, you're quite the crack shot. I've been meaning to ask. What's with the glasses? You never take them off. Oh, wow. Well. There was an up on Clothius. Sarge's first commando up. There were 50 of us, and Sarge, Corey, and I were the only ones who made it out. So many explosions. It gave me... Can't see a damn thing half the time. It's all grayscale and I'm sorry. I'll stop. I'm so sorry. Don't be. You better live up to Lachlan. He's quite the sniper. I'll try my best.
Listen up, here's the plan. The Angelian's troops can't deploy for another 3 hours. We're to hold Valkyrie as long as we can. Troops on the ground are already about wasted, and the choke point is currently too hot to land, meaning we're gonna have to hoof it. Once we're on land, we're to use the airstrike beacon to signal Angelian where to send the ODSTs. If we can't get to the choke point in time, Covenant will get access to the locations of many major homeworlds. So failure